the sporting goods store because we're getting me wrestling shoes. Because on one of the videos, y'all saw me putting on Nick's old wrestling shoes, but those were a little too big.
Do you think you're wearing enough purple today?
Yeah, it's my favorite color. If my shoes were purple, then... Boogly! Alright, we're buying me more wrestling shoes because the other ones were too big on me, and I've been tripping on the mats at practice, and we're gonna see like when those the wrestling shoes that I'm gonna get today, when those are too small, then I'm gonna be able to use them. Yeah. Please stop. Stupid. This is how you do it. Danielle, roll down your window real quick. No. Just do it. Can we just go? Just roll down your window, because this is how you do it. Can we go? No, this is how you do it. Alright, so we got the new wrestling shoes, and these are them. I really like the laces because they're pink. Going to this wrestling camp, and it's hard work. It was Saturday and Sunday. And it's Sunday, so I'm not really psyched about it.
You're not really psyched about it?
No, because my stomach hurts.
Are you sore?
No, it's like hurting. Not from soreness, but it's hurting.
You look really excited to be here.
My stomach hurts.
I like the shoes. They look good.
Nick doesn't think they do.
What?
Nick doesn't think they do. The shoe laces.
Smile. As you're smiling.
Oh, hi. Okay, so we're at the mall because we have $20 and I'm going to spend my $20.
Can't you think of anything better to say? Because you always say that. That's old.
Yeah, nut muffin. It's raining. It's raining cats and dogs! And fish! I don't see any fish. Or cats. Or dogs. So, you're a liar. Mary Kate and Nick are at a wrestling thing. Clinic. Whatever, I'm sorry. One time when I was reading something, it said it's raining cats and dogs. I'm like, why is there a dog falling from the sky? Why is there a cat falling from the sky?
You're weird.
And I was like, oh! Let's go.
What are you going to buy?
Like a One Direction shirt.
Hope you have enough money.
I know.
David, what are you going to buy?
I don't have mine because you didn't tell me we're going to buy anything. Okay. So, hello. No one... Okay, I got a One Direction poster thing book, and then I got a really cool bracelet. I have some pictures on it.
You going to wear it to school every day?
Yeah, every day.
I saw you. You're not hiding very well. I still see you. Well, your hair looks lovely.
Thanks.
So you just got back from your wrestling clinic. I have a surprise for you.
What?
Since you worked so hard, and you tried so hard, and I know that you really didn't want to stay, we're going to go do something, me and you.
What? What is it?
We're going to go right now. Oh, don't lose it!
I got it. It's an ice cream place. And because, like, this morning my stomach was really, really hurting. And my mom said, let's see if you can make it through half the practice. And then when she came, she didn't let me go, but she brought Nick home.
Because he hurt his neck.
So, I hurt my knee. And then you made me stay, but then I had fun because I kept on telling this guy I was from Jupiter. I said, I'm a Jupiterian.
You're a Jupiterian?
Yeah.
Alright, well, you ready to go get some ice cream?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Is it good? What kind did you get?
Cookie dough with Oreos. What'd you get?
Birthday cake with chocolate chips.
If they had chocolate chip cookie dough, I would have gotten that. No.
Still good though, right? If it starts raining, we're going inside.
Okay.
The table's wobbly. You're already done with it?
Yeah.
Oh, your napkins are going to fly away. I still have a lot left.
Can I have yours?
You going to help me eat it?
Come on.
So which one do you like better, birthday cake or cookie dough?
Cookie dough. Thanks. I know how to fix that.
Oh, you just gagged yourself. You're a dork. What are you looking at?
Yes. No. Maybe. I'm cold. It's cold out here. It's windy.
It's only like 75 degrees outside. And you're cold?
That has to be colder.
No, it's like 75 degrees outside. We'll look when we get in the car. How cold do you think it is?
Like 65.
65? I say it's about 75. Alright, I'm going to turn the car on. We're going to see how cold it is.
Cold. You were right!
75.
Now I'm ashamed. Wait, it's drizzling.
You thought it
What
was,
you looking at, huh?
you thought it was 65 degrees. You trying to cover it up now?
Yeah. Nobody can see it.